Bonjour, I'm Hina from evidyarthi.in and in this session we'll learn French pronunciation tip part 3. So part 3 is related to the sentences which are related to home. So जो home से related sentence हैं, phrases हैं, words हैं like maison, mon cher, petit déjeuner, वो हम इस session में करेंगे to understand the native pronunciation, to understand the native people. So we'll start with the first sentence, which is tu habites où? Tu habites où? Which means where do you live? So habiter is a verb which means to live. Tu means informal you and où means where. So tu habites où? There is a contraction between tu and habite, and together it will be t'habite. As you know, H is vowel in French, H is silent, H is mute. So it will be habite and the contraction between it will form t'habite, t'habite. And same, there is a contraction between habiter and où, so it will be tu. So together sentence will be t'habite tu, t'habite tu. Where do you live? Next sentence we have partez loin. Partez loin, which means by far. By far, yeah, by very far. Loin means far, très means a lot, and par means by. So by very far or by far. Mais je te laisse, which means but I have to go, so I have to go. Mais means so, and je te laisse means I have to leave. Leave. Laisse means to leave, and il faut que je les mange, because I have to go to eat. I have to leave because I have to go to eat. And there is a contraction between je and te. It will be je. Je and te, it will be chet. So for together it will be partez loin, mais chet les. Chet les. And there is a contraction between il and faut. It will be il faut. Il faut. And contraction between que and je l'ai, it will be que je l'ai. Que je l'ai. Que and je l'ai. So for together it will be by très loin, mais chet les, il faut que je les mange. Okay, clear? Next sentence we have tu veux les manger maintenant. Tu veux les manger maintenant, which means you are going to eat now. You're going to eat now. Maintenant means now. So tu veux les manger, veux is a aller verb which means to go, and manger is a verb which means to eat, and maintenant, as I told you, it means now. So there is a contraction between veux and les and manger. It will be veux manger, veux manger, veux manger. And there is a contraction between maintenant. As we know, if we have e in between the word, will not pronounce it. It will be maintenant, maintenant. So maintenant. Together will be tu veux manger maintenant. Tu veux manger maintenant. Okay. Next we have oui, monsieur prend un petit déjeuner. Oui, monsieur prend un petit déjeuner. Petit déjeuner is what? Breakfast or a small lunch. So oui means yes, mais means so, and je prends, it means to take, and un petit déjeuner means breakfast or a little lunch. So there is a contraction between je and prends. It will be je prends, je prends. So it will be oui, mais je prends un petit déjeuner. Oui, mais je prends mon petit déjeuner. Okay, and next we have un d'accord, au revoir. Un d'accord, au revoir will be same. There is no contraction in this sentence. It means okay and goodbye. And last we have a plus. A plus which means see you later or just later. So there are the contraction, and for the proper pronunciation, if you want to revise on this example once again, you can download from the link below. Merci, à bientôt, c'est fini.